JJ.A.C Tech Channel. Baofeng BF-888S Portable Two-Way Radio Transceiver. Unboxing. The Baofeng BF-888S is among the well-known walkie-talkies that many amateur radio operators and outdoor enthusiasts will be familiar with. The setup is very simple. You only have to charge the battery and insert it into the device to make it ready for use. The waterproofness meets the IP54 standard. This means that the walkie-talkie can also be used for hiking, etc., without any problems. The range of the Baofeng BF-888S is about 2 km to 4 km. On the walkie-talkie, 16 channels can be set in the range of 400 to 470 MHz. This diversity in the choice of channels guarantees that the walkie-talkie will function without interference even in an environment where many other radios are used. Package contents: user manual, battery packs, chargers, antennas and accessories, BF-888S units. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.